Racing just started with Hudson Hawk. Break quickly to start. Perp and Pretty moving a 40 outside. Maximum exposure. Green Gold. Bella Bandida comes next. Darus Pride. Next on Ladies Ninjitsu. Royal Scepter. Mogul. While Royal Friend is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have Hudson Hawk. Viral length any hop. Maximum exposure. Moving a 40 outside is Bella Bandida. Down in fourth comes Darus Pride. Green Gold comes next. Perp and Pretty. Next online is Ninjitsu, Mogul, Royal Scepter, while Royal Friend still racing in 10th. Down the backstretch they travel with Bella Bandida. Now moves up by length Hudson Hawk. Moving up now the outside is Darus Pride. Then followed over by Maximum Exposure. Perp and Pretty comes next. Ninjitsu, Green Gold. Next on Larry's Mogul, Royal Scepter, while Royal Friend is still racing in 10th. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Maximum Exposure by about half length. Darus Pride in second. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Maximum Exposure by about a length. Darus Pride in second. Hudson Hawk, Green Gold, Perp and Pretty saw the outside with about 100 meters of the race. Maximum Exposure. Darus Pride moves up to take the lead, and finally it's Darus Pride. Maximum Exposure close. Green Gold, Perp and Pretty, and Hudson Hawk.